Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams, the Pruvio Dashcam D90-4CH and the Ovidissa dash camera.
Get ready for some serious comparisons. First up, let's talk about the price. At $189, the Pruvio Dashcam D90-4CH might seem a bit steep, but trust me, it's worth every penny.
Now let's dive into the features of the Pruvio Dashcam D90-4 carbon monohydride.
It boasts a 150-degree super wide-angle lens and a huge 3-inch LCD screen, ensuring sharper movies and images even at high speeds. But that's not all.
One standout feature of the D90-4CH is its built-in GPS.
This allows you to precisely pinpoint your vehicle's location, speed, time, and routes on a map in real time. Talk about being on top of your game. Speaking of being on top, let's talk about night vision. The Pruvio Dashcam D90-4CH comes equipped with an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights, ensuring superior image performance even in pitch-black spaces.
Say goodbye to blurry nighttime footage.
Now let's address the issue of storage. The D90-4CH features loop recording, meaning the oldest unlocked footage will be automatically erased when the memory card reaches its maximum capacity. Plus, the built-in G-sensor locks the currently recording footage in case of a collision. Your evidence is safe and sound.
Last but not least, let's talk about installation.
The Pruvio Dashcam D90-4CH is incredibly easy to install with the help of the user manual and the accompanying suction mount.
Plus, it doesn't have a battery, so you don't have to worry about any mishaps.
Hold on to your wallets, folks.
The Ovidissa dash camera comes in at a slightly lower price point of $179.
But does it have what it takes to compete with the Pruvio?
One thing that immediately stands out about the Ovidissa dash camera is its impressive video resolution.
It can achieve Ultra HD 8K resolution for the front camera and FHD 2.5K for the rear camera. That's some serious high-quality footage. Another cool feature of the Ovidissa dash camera is its app connectivity. Simply connect the dash cam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, and you can enjoy a live stream, download videos, change settings, and even edit and share your footage.
It's like having a personal videographer in your pocket.
Just like its competitor, the Ovidissa dash camera also comes with built-in GPS. You can accurately record your driving location, speed, and even view your driving route on Google Maps. That's some next-level tracking. Now let's talk about parking mode. The Ovidissa dash camera offers 24-hour parking continuous recording functionality, but there's a catch. You'll need to buy a separate hardware kit for it. Keep that in mind if you're considering this option.
When it comes to storage, the Ovidissa dash camera comes with a free U332GB micro SD memory card, supporting up to 128GB.
It also has a G-sensor that automatically detects vibrations and collisions, locking the lens to prevent important videos from being overwritten. Safety first. The Pruvio Dashcam D90-4CH and the Ovidissa dash camera have both received positive reviews from customers. Reviewers praised the Pruvio Dashcam D90-4CH for its clear pictures, easy installation, and user-friendly interface. On the other hand, the Ovidissa dash camera is highly recommended for its great audio and picture quality, easy installation, and additional safety features. And there you have it, folks.
We've compared the Pruvio Dashcam D90-4CH and the Ovidissa dash camera in various categories.
Both of these dash cams have their unique strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why.
The product links are in the description. Thanks for watching this episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.